Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to import and export brushes in ibispaintx. This is a great way to share custom brushes with friends or try out new brushes from other artists. Let's discuss first how can we import the brushes. There are two ways to import brushes in ibispaintx. First, using a QR code. Second is to download their backup file .ipcfg. First method, importing with QR code. Open the ibispaintx app and tap on the brush icon. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Import Brush. Allow camera access if you have not allowed it yet. The app automatically will scan the QR code of the brush you want to import. The brush will be added to your custom brushes. Second method, importing with backup file .ipcfg. Download the .ipcfg file from the source. Open ibispaintx once and close it, ensuring it's running still in the background. Go to Recent Downloads and tap on the newly downloaded ipcfg file. ibispaintx will automatically open and a tab will pop up for asking preferences. Turn on all the preferences, including color palettes and special brushes, and done. The brushes will be added to your custom brushes. Now the next question is how to export brushes in ibispaintx. Open ibispaintx and tap on the brush icon. Tap the brush you want to export. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Export QR Code. This QR code will be saved in your gallery. You can share this QR code with your friends or online. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I have given the link to my backup file in the description below. Download the brushes from it and let me know in the comment whether this tutorial helped you or not. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more ibispaintx tips and tricks. Bye.